Wade Wilson, dubbed the real-life Deadpool Killer, was convicted for the brutal murders of two women in Florida in 2018. Wilson, who earned his nickname due to his obsession with the fictional character Deadpool, shockingly confessed to killing the women purely for the sake of killing. The chilling and senseless nature of his crimes captured national attention, drawing comparisons to the antihero's dark, chaotic persona. In 2023, Wilson was sentenced to death, marking the culmination of a disturbing case that highlighted his lack of remorse and callous behavior. The court found his actions premeditated and exceptionally heinous, leading to his ultimate punishment. The case serves as a stark reminder of how dangerous, glorifying, violent fictional personas can become when adopted in real life. A man from Florida was found guilty earlier this year of killing two women, and he was given the death penalty. In 2019, Wade Wilson, also referred to as the Deadpool Killer, strangled and murdered the women. When Nicholas Thompson of the Lee Circuit Court administered the death penalty, the 30-year-old displayed no emotion. According to the New York Post, Wilson, who goes by the same moniker as the Marvel antihero, was found guilty in June of the murders of 35-year-old Christine Melton and 43-year-old Diane Ruiz. Wilson first attacked Ms. Melton at her house on the night of the murders, following a drug-induced sexual encounter. He beat Melissa Montanez, his girlfriend, after she refused to get into the car, choked her, took her car, and used her phone to contact her. In Cape Coral, Wilson later ran across Ms. Ruiz, who was requesting directions. He urged her to get inside his car before strangling her and disposing of her body. Then, as he said during the trial, until she looked like spaghetti, he kept running Ms. Ruiz over with his automobile. According to the New York Post, Judge Thompson called the killings heinous, atrocious, and cruel, adding that the second murder was cold, calculated, and premeditated. Accusing Wilson of acting solely out of a wish to murder, Assistant State Attorney Andreas Gardner described strangulation as the epitome of life slipping through someone's hands. Wade Wilson got thousands of fan letters, love letters, and X-rated images from admirers while he was incarcerated, despite the seriousness of his actions. In letters to the judge, several even claimed that Wilson's behavior had altered while on medication and asked for leniency. His lawyers contended that as a result of his drug addiction and adoption as a young child, he had abandonment issues and brain damage. Wilson's adoptive parents also begged for forgiveness, telling the court that they thought the human is still in there, and requesting that the death penalty not be applied. Wilson was found guilty of other counts, including grand theft, burglary, violence, and petty theft, in addition to his murder convictions.